Hey friends, if you wish to check maximum RAM capacity in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Task Manager. Go to the Processors tab, expand it, go to Memory. Memory is RAM basically. When we speak about memory, we mean random access memory. So it will show the installed RAM and the in-use RAM here, okay, and the committed RAM and everything. But more than that, it will also show the slots used. Just see where I'm hovering the mouse. The total RAM is mentioned here, it's 16 GB. That's okay, but the slots used are 2 out of 2. So both the slots are used. I cannot directly increase the RAM. I will have to remove a RAM and then replace it. Okay, if I had a free slot, then I could have increased the RAM. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.